I'm going to show you how to get out of handcuffs without keys or bobby pin. It's very simple. Simply take and cut out a piece of tin, like usually from a soda can, about the size of a bubblegum strip. Then what you want to do is you want to fold it. Try to make sure it's short enough to where it's not going to cut your wrist. There's a small hole right there where you're going to insert it, and you're basically going to hug it around the cuff. What you're going to do is you're going to slide it down into the cuff, and once you get it down towards the center, you're going to turn your wrist and it opens up. I'm going to try to get you a better view for this other wrist so you can see exactly. If I can get my phone to stop falling. So, like I said, insert through the top. I wash these flat. Push down, and then while pushing down, turn your wrist. And that's how you get out of military or police handcuffs.